How to delete pages from PDF file. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So let's say our PDF over here, we want to delete a specific page. Simply visit ilovepdf.com over here /remove pages, and you're just simply going to select your PDF file or upload it into our page over here. After that, you should then be able to utilize it, as you can see. And now you're just simply going to select the specific page that you want to delete. For example, I want to delete a page 3 in the middle. Click on remove pages. And now you could download this. And you should now be able to identify that there's only 5 pages out of the original 6. And our page 3 over here is now different from our page 3 over here. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Also, keep in mind that you are also able to remove multiple pages, not just one page. You could specifically select what specific pages do you want to remove. So that's it, guys.